I'm going to reveal 4 trade management strategies that will change the way you trade Forex. These proven techniques are aimed to minimize your losses and maximize your gains, and they are very simple to use. So take notes and let's get started. Once you spotted the market that is trading in a strong bullish or bearish trend, there's one tip that will help you to benefit from the entire movement. If the market is very bullish and you are anticipating a bullish continuation, consider trading without take profit. Take a look at dollar yen here. The market is trading in a bullish trend on an hourly time frame, and we see a strong bullish signal, a bullish breakout of a key horizontal resistance. And after the violation, the market started to grow like crazy and the price went up by more than 1000 pips. And of course, trading with take profit, you will close your trade too early. While trading without take profit, you could make a lot of money. The same trade management strategy can be applied in a bearish trend. Take a look at the price action on a pound dollar pair. We have a very bearish price action and a bearish trend. And we see a strong bearish continuation, a violation of a key support, and formation of a new lower low. And after this confirmed bearish signal, the market dropped sharply by more than 1000 pips. And of course, selling the market with the fixed take profit level, you would most likely close the trade much earlier. Even though the trends do not last forever, the markets can easily fall or grow sharply for weeks or even for the month. And this technique will help you to cash out from the entire movement. Once you open a trading position and the market starts going in the desired direction, there's one technique that will help you to protect your position from the sudden market reversal. Here's a real example of a short trade that we took with my students in my trading academy on dollar CAD pair. We spotted a very bearish pattern, double top, and we opened a short position after a breakout of its neckline on its retest. And initially we were right in our predictions and the price was going to our target. But because of the surprising release of the negative Canadian fundamentals, the price reversed suddenly, not being able to reach the target. And that could be a losing trade, but we managed to save our money. What we did, we moved our stop loss to entry level ahead of the release of the fundamental data. The trade was closed on the entry level and we lost $0. Moving stop loss to entry saved me thousands of dollars in trading. It is one of the simplest trade management techniques that you must apply. Once you manage to catch a strong movement, do not keep your stop loss intact. Here is the example of the trend following trade that we took with my students on a pound Swiss pair. Once the market started to move up, we protected our trading position and we moved our stop loss to breakeven, to entry level. But what you can do next, you can apply a trailing stop loss. And while the market was setting new higher highs, we were trailing our stop loss and we kept it below the last higher lows. And we kept trailing the stop loss before the price reached the target. Application of a trailing stop loss will help you to protect your profits in case of the sudden change in the market sentiment and the reversal. And the last tip can be applied for trading and investing. Remember that if you open a trading position and correctly predicted a rally, you can book partial profits. Imagine that you managed to buy one Bitcoin for $17,000. Once the bullish market starts, you can sell the portion of your position, and you can do that once the price is approaching some significant historical levels or ahead of important fundamentals. For example, you can sell 0.2 BTC on each level. With this trade management technique, you will book profits while still remaining in the trading position. Even though these trade management techniques are very simple, only the few apply them. I really want you to apply these techniques in trading because they will help you to maximize your profits and avoid losses. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, traders, if you want to learn how to trade, do not forget to check my premium group, the link in the description below, and also do not forget to watch my other videos.